Hey, it's Jennifer Krosch, your local Sioux Falls realtor. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of what can buy you for $330,000 in the central western side of Sioux Falls, South Dakota. I am standing in front of this 3-bed, 2-bath, split foyer home with a 2-stall garage. The lower level has a walkout. Let's go ahead and take a tour of the interior of this. So this is a twin home, and we are going to be taking a look at this side here. It is again, a 3-bed, 2-bath, split foyer with a 2-stall garage. It is 2,050 square foot, and the laundry is up on the main level. A split foyer is a home where you come into a landing and then you either go upstairs or you go downstairs. This landing is a really good size space. You can come in, navigate around, drop your stuff. There's a coat closet. This door will take you out to the garage. Again, it's a 2-stall garage. Pretty basic for the era of its build. Okay. Let's go in and go down and take a look at the lower level first. Down in the lower level, we'll have 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and a really large second living space. This here has a walk out to the backyard. This home also has an exterior shed, which we'll take a peek at more once we get upstairs. Again, for a $330 price point, to have that walkout, that additional shed out back, it is a value even as a twin home. This space, you can very easily put a pool table in here, as well as having your TV and living room furniture. There's a understairs storage space. The bathroom is a single sink laminate with a mirror, lighting, standard toilet, a full tub. And just to give you a view of this side here, there is a tall linen to allow you some more storage space. The mechanical room inside here is where you'll find the water heater, the water softener, the sump pump, and the furnace. Down here in this lower level, this 3rd bedroom, again, is a really good size bedroom. Easily fit a king size bed and an additional piece of furniture. The closet is very spacious as well. There's a walk-in. There's plenty of storage space in this closet. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look upstairs at the upper level. Upstairs, we're going to have 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, your main kitchen, living and dining space. As you come up the stairs, to the left are going to be your bedrooms and your bathroom, and then this is your living, kitchen, dining area space. Again, a fairly good size. I love the vaulted ceilings. Makes it feel a lot more spacious. View from this angle here. The kitchen countertops are a granite countertop. As we go out this patio door, it's like a French door patio. You can open up the right side, but then you can also open up that left side too if you had larger items to bring into the home. So that's a unique option that it has. Looking out on the backyard, again, this is a walkout, sizable backyard. The shed is very nice. It's nice to have that added space. It's got a little garage door, and a side service door as well. Just a pan of the neighborhood. You've got this open space back behind here. You see a lot of kids playing back there. few apartment complexes. Again, let's go back in. Okay, let's go take a look at the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom up here. This is just some additional storage closet space. The doors on this side here are the laundry. You have a main level laundry here. There is 1 bathroom up here on this level, and I like what they did with this. They did it so that it does have a pass-through door from the primary bedroom. Going in, this is the 2nd bedroom on this main level. Again, a decent sized bedroom. I would say you could fit a full, if not a queen, in here, and a few additional pieces of furniture. As we go into the primary bedroom, again, a really sizable bedroom. You could easily fit a king in here, a couple of pieces of furniture, and possibly a dresser. Good size walk-in closet. Could outfit that with some more rods, clothes hangers. And then, as I said, here is that door that'll take you into the bathroom. So if you don't have anyone here in the house and it's just a couple of you, you could use that and keep this hallway door closed. Again, this is the tour of this home located in the central western part of Sioux Falls. It's 2,050 square foot is how much is in this home. It's 3 beds, 2 baths with a walkout lower level split foyer. And this is what $330,000 will buy you here in the Sioux Falls, South Dakota area. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. That way you'll receive updates every time I put a new home tour out for you to view. And thank you for viewing. Have a great day.